I mean, it runs. It looks like shit in there, man. I had to rip a lot of that out when I climbed in there to redo it. My little makeshift filter. I mean, it's running pretty good. It just, that's the exhaust. It's pretty clear. I got it idled up on PTO. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's got a cracked ring, man. That sucks because it doesn't blow by until it's really hot. Then it starts puffing a little bit, and that's usually a broken ring. And it may not, I don't think it's damaged the cylinder yet. It actually takes a while from what I've been told. So yeah, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna put new rings in and new rod bearings, and I don't even care. I'm gonna hone it, and I'm gonna run this. I'm gonna run it. That's what I'm gonna do. And if it doesn't work, I'm gonna put a 12 valve in there. All right, peace.